Here I have OMODA Car, and let me show you where you can change the alarm tone type. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the second button from the left side, which is the menu button. Now you should find and open all apps on this car. Let's choose here local settings. As you can see, now you can use the left bar, and let's select here sound. Under sound, you can scroll down and choose the alarm tone type. So as you can see here, you can use traditional, technological, or trendy. Basically, what the alarm tone type does. It changes the actual sound, effect melody for your parking sensor, line departure warnings, and ADAS safety alerts. If the stock traditional beep annoys you, you can switch to technological or trendy. As you can see, you can do this like this just by tapping the appropriate options. In my case, let me choose trendy, and let's leave it like that. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.